If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to enjoying your game with friends. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary matchmaking issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam, go to your library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus programs can block the game from connecting to the servers. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy your gaming experience. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.